Hi, this is Prasanna from Vivekramya. Welcome to Matlab Basics Edition. In this video, we are going to discuss what is the use of semicolon operator in Matlab and what is ANS variable name. I am straight away moving to the Matlab. So in the command window, you can type the command after this prompt. Let me take a simple example. A is equal to 5. Now I am not using any semicolon at the end of the statement. If you execute this A is equal to 5 without semicolon, and if you hit the enter button, it will automatically execute the line and you can see the output in the command window itself. At the same time, the variable is saved in the workspace. Instead, if you use semicolon at the end of the statement, look at here, I am using semicolon at the end of the statement B is equal to 10. Now if you hit the enter button, the Matlab will execute the line, but it will suppress the display of output. Can you able to see that? The B is equal to 10, which is saved in the workspace variable, but it suppresses the display of output in the command window. So this is the usage of semicolon at the end of the statement. Take a script file. It's a very simple one. A is equal to 34. I am using semicolon. B is equal to 72. Semicolon. C is equal to A divided by B. Now if you use a semicolon at the end of the statement, all the three lines, and if you run the system, if you run the system, see the output is not displayed in the command window. Why? Because I am using semicolon in all the statements, in all the lines. But the values are updated in the workspace variable. Okay. Now if you delete the semicolon, the third line, again run it, you can able to see the output here. And at the same time, if you look at this, so this is the usage of semicolon. And one more important thing, if you look at here, previously I used A is equal to 5, B is equal to 10. This is the old values. These are all old values. And what is the new value? A is equal to 34, B is equal to 72. So here in both command window as well as the M file, I use same variables with different values. So at the time, what will happen? The new values will be overwriting on the existing one. Previously, A was 5, B was 10. Now, A is 34 and B is 72. So, if you use the same variable name, the new value will be overwriting on the existing one. Now, I am clearing my screen. Next, we'll discuss what is the usage of ANS variable. Take the same thing. A is equal to 56. Hit the enter button. You can able to see the output in workspace variable as A variable name is A and value is 56. Now, I am not using any variable name. Simply, I am going to enter some values. Let it be it's a 67. It's only a value. There is no variable name. If you hit the enter button, Matlab will automatically takes a variable name called ANS. ANS is a variable name. So in ANS, the value is stored. 67 is stored. If you repeat the thing again, now let it be 89. What I am doing now? I am repeating the same thing. That is, I am not assigning any variable name. And if you hit the enter button, again Matlab will be automatically take the same variable name ANS. It won't take ANS1, ANS2, ANS2, ANS3. So if you look at here, go to workspace, you can see that the new value of ANS is 89. That means the newer value will be overwriting on the existing one. You cannot retrieve the older values. So it's a very important while you are typing, while you are developing a very big program. Make sure that the initialization of variable name is very important. If you didn't initialize any variable name, MATLAB will automatically take ANS as a variable name. It's a default variable name. If you repeat the same thing in your program, new value will be overwriting on the existing one. You cannot retrieve the older values. Okay, I hope this video will give you some clear idea about what is semicolon operator in MATLAB and what is ANS variable name. Thank you. Kindly subscribe to the channel. If you have any queries, kindly drop a mail to this mail ID. Thank you.